So, first of all, congratulations that you got placed as a graphic designer. సో ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది దర్శన్ నీకు అసలు?
చాలా కొత్తగా అనిపిస్తుంది.
ఓకే ఓకే. సో
కొత్తగా,
చెప్పు.
హ్యాపీగా,
ఓకే.
ఎగ్జైటెడ్.
ఎక్సైటెడ్గా ఉందా? ఓకే, నైస్. సో దర్శన్, కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్?
Hi sir, this is Darshan and I am from Salur and I completed my engineering in Sir C.A. Engineering College, which is located at Eluru. I completed my computer science engineering there, and my parents are, my father is Lakshman Rao, who is working as a journalist in Salur. My mother is a housewife and my sister is working as a developer in Darwin Box company. So basically, I am interested in designing and editing. So I want to get placed in a company which provides me a role of graphic designing or a UX designing, which is my personal interest. So in this journey, I wanted to get where I could learn the skill. So one of my relative suggested me to join the PurpleLane School of Design.
Okay.
Which, and I researched it. I thought it was the best option to get there and learn the skill. So I joined there. I started, they learned me from scratch. I learned the basics there. I learned mid fidelity, high fidelity, each and every one there, typography, design system, auto layout. Everything will be learned by them from scratch. I am in a project. After that project, I went to an interview. Then I got placed in that company.
Okay, okay. So I have some questions here. Like you said, you said like you have completed your B.Tech. So which year you have completed your B.Tech?
I completed my B.Tech in the 2024, sir.
Okay.
First year.
So after completion of B.Tech, have you took any other courses? Like how the courses are will be?
Yes, sir. After completion of my engineering, I took courses related to web technology.
Okay.
Basically, I learned web technology because everyone are choosing it.
Okay.
My way of thinking is like that, and everyone fed me that that coding skills will give you growth, super growth. It will make you a rich person.
Okay. Okay.
So I learned that in some other portal. After that, I came to know that not only coding skills but also some other skills like designing or cloud computing or DevOps also gives you growth, salary, everything.
Yeah.
So I chose UI UX in one of them because I'm personally interested in design.
That's nice. That's really nice. So did you see any difference for other companies, as PurpleLane is a company, right? So did you see any other difference for a different institute and this? Did you see any difference for that?
Yes, yeah. PurpleLane is personally like a family.
Mm-hmm.
They took personal care of me. I mean, if I get any doubt, also Bhavani Prasad sir is also available, and his brother Santosh sir also is available to me. Mentors are always available, and mentors are more friendly with us. Whereas I didn't find such kind of qualities in other institutions.
Okay, okay. So you have a good personal experience here, right? So which means
Yeah,
like end-to-end collaboration with the entire team as well as mentors as well as founders as well directly connecting with you, right?
yeah.
That's
It is
really
interesting.
yes,
That's a good point, interesting.
yes. At the initial stage of Purple Lane, you had taken the course, right? So how you feel about the course and how the infrastructure and how this actually helps you to gain the knowledge?
At first, when I saw the menu, I mean list of chapters, I felt there are so many chapters in there.
Okay.
But when I went inside that, it is designed in such a way that it completes in fast time and it also gives you the knowledge. So uh, it also makes the student interesting and they won't get bored by looking at the short span of videos.
Okay, okay. So the entire videos are will be like 5 to 7 minutes only, right? So that actually gives you like without boring and engaging things with you. That's really good. Good to
Also gives the short feeling that, oh, you are completing the course very fast.
know. Okay, okay. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice to know. And how many interviews attended you have attended so far?
This is my first interview in the designing, and I got placed.
Oh, that's really nice. So how is the interview performance is like how the interview process actually happened for you?
So basically, the interview is not like a coding interview. They will not ask you any kind of questions. They first ask you to introduce yourself. Later on, they will check the designs of you. After checking the designs, basically, my interview went like this. After checking the interview, they asked some basic questions. The questions that asked for me, like plugins, animations, transactions, these are the basic questions that they asked us. So the key to get placed in a UI UX or a designing is that your work.
Okay.
So you have to show the designs,
Yes.
and they will get attracted by it.
Okay. I have some questions here like what is the things that you have unique things that you have seen in Purple Lane?
The unique thing that I learned from PurpleLane is it will be both. I mean, many of the institutions only will provide you either online or recording, and they will not clarify you any kind of doubts. Whereas PurpleLane will take care special responsibility of each and every student. There will be a mentor assigned for every 10 to 15 students. You can also get touch with the founders, and if you also miss the classes, there will be our CRO who will be calling you. I mean, the CRO will be like an alarm who will
Yes.
remind you of the classes. It is a special thing. They especially take care of each and every student. That is
Okay.
the special thing I like.
Yes, that's great. So how are the projects are going on? So for you projects, we have given a mentor who has 10 plus years of experience. So how the things are going on with her?
The matter is really good. She will guide you from every step, starting step to ending. She will guide you, and in the middle, she will also check each and every assignment in detail. And if there are any corrections, she will rectify it. She will make you better in each and every process.
So do you feel the mentor's explanation expertise is good at explaining the things? Like how you feel about that?
Mentors are really good. They also will give attention to detail.
Yes.
If you do it small mistake also, they will try to clarify it.
Yes, yes, obviously. Like the attention the details that makes you more practice and perfectize in the when you're going for interviews also. That actually gives you when you are going for a real world companies. So we follow the attentions in the details.
Okay.
That's really good insights. So you have attended for the interview, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
how are the interview processes? Like how many rounds has been happened? What type of questions they ask? And after finally, like you got placed, like how you feel about that? Can you please tell your experience at?
So basically, UI UX interviews. Uh, I think there will be two kind of interviews. First one is that I personally faced it. They will ask you for the designs. I mean, in second type also, the key is the design. You have to design it very well, and you have to show them that your design is very good.
Okay.
It is how the interview will take place. Some of the companies will ask you for the assignments, and you have to submit them. But in my case, it is not like that. They asked for my assignments to share in my screen. I shared them, and after asking some basic questions, they said the HR will contact me.
Okay.
After a day, HR contacted me and said I got placed. And I'm really excited and happy that I got placed in a company after 1 year, after one long year.
Okay, okay. So, do you see any difference for a developer or like when you are coming out of the college? So, again, I'm asking this again. So, do you see
Okay.
when you are coming out of the college, most of the people they say like, okay, software engineer means you should be coding and then only will be getting place. So, do you feel the same now?
No, I don't feel the same. I think how developing, how weightage is developing, designing also same weightage. I don't, both are equal, but choose the thing that are you interested in. I mean, don't follow blindly the designing, don't follow blindly the developing. Find which is better for you, which you are interested in, and go through that.
So, you
And basically, also, if you are expertise in designing, get some basics in development also.
okay, okay. That's really good input. So because we do tell the students like, okay, to try to understand how to inspect an application also, so that they can able to understand things. So now you understand like not only coding is the only part to for any company, there are multiple roles that actually integrated with the software industry itself, right? So how's your family feeling about that you got placed? Okay.
They want, they really tried hard to get me placed. And actually, my father is the one who suggested me to join this Purple Lane.
Mm-hmm.
He got some good news. I mean, good positive hearing about the company.
Okay.
So he asked me to join. And as I am interested in this designing, I joined. Basically, my father is the reason for my success. I mean, for this job, and I'm also really happy.
That's really nice. So do you want to suggest PurpleLane for your friends as well?
Yes, I will suggest everyone. I mean, who are interested, not everyone, who are interested in designing, I will suggest them Purple and definitely.
Okay, okay, that's great. Any other things you want to discuss about the course or any other things?
Yeah, I have some doubts.
Yeah.
Not only for me, especially who will watch this video,
Okay.
they want to get clarified about it. So, what is the scope for a designer or a UI UX designer in the future?
Well, see, I'll just tell one thing. Let us say example with an AI perspective, simply, because we have integrating with the AI for the designers as well.
Yeah.
So,
I my project also integrated with that.
okay,
I forgot to say that.
okay,
My final project is AI powered personal growth app,
okay,
which is complete, which integrated some AI part in it. Means
okay.
you get personalized suggestions from it. I
Suggestions.
forgot.
That's nice. So, see, the idea here is developers are there. How the developers will work? So, let us say if you are using an AI material or like AI in your development perspective. So, let us say 100 members of developers are there. In future, it might be 50 or 60. So, and when it comes to designer, in any company, the designer will be one or two first. First of all, one or two persons itself. Second thing is, designer is like, oh, see, designs comes with the help of ideas. We give idea
Yeah.
for AI and AI is going to generate it. Got it? So you need to give an idea for AI, which means like, okay, I need this type. Let us say if you are using a Adobe Firefly, trying to use, okay, I need a person who is flying uh, uh, by putting their hands with the help of flying fish itself. It is able to generate because we are giving the idea. And
Yeah.
in future also, it will be similar to that. Like whatever the AI is going to do, we are ahead from the brain or like idea point of view. So no need to worry about the AI, which means like this roles, designing roles. When it comes to developer roles, see developers what they do is like they take the code from the AI and they are going to integrate the code, right? Because they are going to write the code, but AI is going to give the code. So
Yeah.
if they ask some question, but here in the design perspective, someone should ask for AI. Then only the AI is going to give you the answers. Otherwise, it won't replace. The designers won't replace by AI. Simply, first thing. Second thing is, in the future, parameters are like perspectives. Of initial stage, you can be a visual designer. The roles are same roles. A graphic designer, visual designer, UI designer. These three roles are same. Okay, these three roles are same. If you are a graphic designer, or a visual designer, or a UI designer, you can work on any of the three. You will be the same. After 1 year of experience or 1 2 years, you can be associate visual designer, which means a next step of a graphic designer. Okay, so there you will be working as same like graphic designing, like all the types of banners, animations, chips, as well as UI stuff like mobile application designing with the help of Figma and all. And then the next step of that is a mid-level designer. So at mid-level, you can be a interaction designer, just in names or like roles names itself, but the work is same. Remember, the work is same. If you are a first 1 year experience or if you are 10 year experience, work is same. Got it? Okay. If you are a 1 year experience or a 10 years experience, work is same. The only thing is like based on your expertise, you can able to do the work faster and simpler and working on the complex problems. That's it. Okay, so if you are a fresher, you'll be working on a small piece like creating a screen or like creating buttons, changing the colors, or like creating banners. If you are a 10 years of experience candidate, you are going to work on the entire application or a project that will be handled by you. The research will be done by you, UI design will be done by you, user research, user experience, and website, mobile applications, everything is going to be done by you itself. So that's the basic things like fresher and all. So if you are a mid-level, which is around 5 to 6 years of experience, you can be a mid-level designer, which we call it as a product designer or a visual designer, not a visual, a UI UX designer, product designer, interaction designer that comes under 4 to 5 years. More than 5 years, you can be a senior. Okay, in a senior product designer, senior UI UX designers, or normal designers are called as 5 to 7 years to 10 years experience. Okay, later on that you can be a lead designer, a lead in the sense like designing lead, or like design manager, or like design lead UX designer, or lead UI UX designer. So these are the names, but the work is same. And then manager, and then you go for director. So this is how these roles is going to be. And remember, see, this is an equivalent job role, whatever you are earning, that is equivalent to a developer. More than that, because the only thing is creative brains are very less, developers are more in companies. Okay, they won't. Yeah.
My company also there are not more designers,
Okay.
approximately 15 to 20 developers.
Yeah, that's what I'm just telling. See, developers are more and designers will be less in any company, because the only thing is like creative minds are very less in companies as well, and they are more valuable than the developers. That's what I can tell. Okay. So, because there are a myth like, okay, if you want to go for a software role, you should be a developer. Nowadays, this is going to be changed. There is a number of roles in the companies, and anyone can take any course. Thank you. Thank you, Darshan.
Thank
All the best for future.